What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm doing a super cute high braided ponytail on my client, and she does have very naturally thick hair. I feel like the camera probably didn't really capture that, but she also has a really blunt cut, so we're gonna be tucking a lot in this braided ponytail, and I'm super excited to share this look with you guys because I know some people struggle with tucking hair in, especially when your client has a fresh cut. So I'm really excited to share this with you. In the front, I'm just gonna be doing 4 stitch braids. I'm gonna show you guys one side, and I didn't add any fake hair into this because, like I said, her hair is already just really naturally thick, and I felt like it wasn't necessary to add that fake hair in. I didn't want the braids to be super bulky, and I also didn't want her ponytail to end up being just crazy thick. I've shared this technique a lot in a lot of my videos. Whenever I'm doing stitch braids, I do part down the center in whatever pattern I want the braid to basically lay in, and I use a combination of my pinky and my comb. Sometimes my pinky works to get my stitches nice and clean, and sometimes it doesn't, so I do alternate between that and my comb. I don't wear nails to braid just because I feel like it slows me down and it is a lot harder, but I am gonna try to get like something really natural done with my nails with like a sharp pinky, because I feel like it would be so much easier if I didn't have to pick up the comb every time I wanted to get a nice clean stitch. And honestly, my nails just don't grow long naturally. So yes, this is a great technique if you want to make it easier to grab your stitches in. Sometimes, guys, you just have to really take your time with this, and if you really want to get that very neat and consistent stitch, it does take a little bit of time, and I feel like nobody cares when they have to wait if the style turns out poppin'. So yes, take your time and you will get really nice and clean stitches. If you guys follow my channel, then you guys know that this is one of my clients who really likes her natural baby hairs to be out. So I left her natural hairs out in the front. We don't really swoop it and put edge control and all that. She likes them to lay really naturally. And then I did the same for her sideburns. This top part is gonna be braided into a ponytail now. And to do that, I'm gonna take a hair tie and I'm gonna attach it to the center of the braiding hair. You can also just use the rubber band that the braiding hair comes on, but I'm dumb, y'all. I popped it on accident. So, or actually no, I think I took it off on purpose because I wanted to like stretch this hair a little bit, but that could be a lie. Yeah, but anyway, you can do it like this, and you attach that hair tie on there. I usually try to go around twice, but it won't fit around twice on her hair because it's super thick. And then I'm gonna take off a piece of the braiding hair that I'm gonna wrap around the base of the ponytail, and that's gonna help to hide all of the hair ties. So to do that, I'm taking some of my Shine and Jam and I rub it across just because I feel like it helps it to stay smooth. And then I also use the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray to kind of go over it and make sure that it sticks together. So once I have that band to cover up those hair ties that are holding everything in place, I'm gonna take my client's natural hair and I'm gonna comb it into the braiding hair, and I'm gonna use a little bit of product to just help that blend in as best as I can. The goal is to make sure that the client's hair is underneath the braiding hair at all times. That is part of the tucking, because if not, you will have little hairs that stick out and poke out as you're braiding down, and you really don't want that. This is 1 pack of braiding hair, and I broke some of the hair off because I'm actually going to be feeding it in as I get further down. I didn't want to start off with all of the braiding hair at the top because her hair is super thick, and if I did that, then the top of the ponytail would just be like extremely thick. So you kind of have to gauge the thickness of the ponytail and how much of the fake hair that you're adding. You want it to be enough to cover up their fake hair, but you don't want it to be like super bulky, especially at the top. The reason I'm going to be feeding hair in is because she does want this ponytail to hang a little bit long. It was for her birthday, so she was like, I want a cute look. And so I made sure that I added hair in as I went to keep the consistency of the braid and also to make it longer. And as you guys can see, I had to take it out a little bit because her hair wasn't tucked under, and like I said, that's really important. So just make sure you take your time with this section and really do your best to tuck your client's hair underneath. I'm sorry for this janky lighting in this clip. I didn't even realize, but basically I just wanted to show you guys that I'm braiding it all the way down to the end, and her hair does naturally kind of feather out. She didn't want the ends of it curled or anything. She just wanted it straight, so I made sure that I feathered those ends so that they come down to a nice point. Next, I'm just going to go through and add any product where it's necessary to make sure that the braid is nice and smooth, make sure that there's no hair sticking out or anything, and yeah. I'll go ahead and use some of the Got To Be Glued spray just to kind of spray it down and make sure that everything is looking nice and crisp. Next, I'm gonna dip the end of the braid in hot water just to seal the ends and to make sure that it's not super stiff. I did try to stay away from her natural hair. I've heard clients say that the hot boiling water can give your clients heat damage, and that's never happened to any of my clients, but I don't want it to happen. So when I can, I do try to avoid my clients' natural hair when I am dipping. So guys, I'm literally so triggered because when I actually went to edit this video, I realized that I didn't take any finishing videos. I was actually taking live photos, which is so annoying. So at the end, I do have some clips that she sent me from her birthday when she beat her face, and then I have a live photo that I kind of screen recorded so you guys can see the finished look. But this hairstyle turned out so bomb. She looked so poppin' for her birthday, and I'm so mad I didn't get to get like recorded video footage for you guys, but I hope you guys can get a gist of what it looked like. If you like this look, make sure you guys share it, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?